Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to track a lost phone and view detailed information such as its exact location, country, device type, user agent, device fingerprint, and much more, exactly as you're seeing on the screen. Before we begin, please pay close attention. This video is strictly for educational and awareness purposes only. It does not promote any form of illegal activity. Never attempt to track, monitor, or spy on anyone without their clear permission. Unauthorized tracking is illegal and is considered a punishable offense under cybercrime laws. Everything you're about to see takes place in a controlled environment, and all devices used in this demonstration belong to me, with full permission. Please act responsibly. Now, let's get started. The tool we're going to use for this demonstration is called Grabify. Grabify is an online tool commonly used by cybersecurity professionals. It's an IP logging and tracking service that helps ethical hackers, penetration testers, and investigators analyze device information for security assessments. It works by wrapping a normal URL inside a tracking layer, allowing you to collect metadata such as IP address, location, device type, and browser details whenever someone clicks the link. Now let's open the website. Here is the interface. Let's scroll down to this section. This is the field where you'll enter your bait link, the normal website URL you want to wrap inside the tracker. For this demo, I'll open a new browser tab and search for "Beautiful Love Logo" on Google. Here it is. We will copy the search URL because that will be our tracking bait. Next, go back to the Grabify tab and paste the URL we copied earlier. Now click this button to move to the next step. Click on I agree to continue. And here we are, the tracking link has been generated. As you can see, this is the new link we'll send to the lost device. But for demonstration purposes, I'll send the link to my other phone and open it from there. Here is the link. Let me open it. Boom. The moment I opened the link, it redirected me immediately to the original Google search result we copied earlier. That means the tracking worked successfully on the mobile device. Now let's go back to Grabify and refresh the page. Now scroll down. As you can see, the online tool has detected a connection. Now click on More Info so see full fetch details. You can now see all the device information and location details are now displayed, including my device type, browser, and user agent. This is exactly how private investigators track lost phones easily without much stress. Open source tools like this are commonly used by cybersecurity experts, digital forensic analysts, and investigators to trace scammers, cybercriminals, and unauthorized activities, always within a legal and ethical framework. Before we end, here is an important final disclaimer. This video is for educational and cybersecurity awareness purposes only. The techniques demonstrated here should be used only with full permission from the device owner. Misusing these tools for spying, stalking, or unauthorized tracking is illegal and can lead to severe penalties under cybercrime and privacy laws. Always follow ethical guidelines and protect the privacy of others at all times. If you found this video helpful, kindly like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more cybersecurity and ethical hacking content. Thanks for watching.